look at 73 240Z and try to figure out, at least the first start, segment 1, what's wrong with this car. Restored car, it's had a lot of work done on it, but it has sat. And last week I changed, is running terrible. Last week I changed the common things that I can do. Ignition coil, plug wires, plugs, fuel filter. And started it up, nothing, no change. So, let's see how she's doing today. But running really rough. It almost feels like it's running on like 3 cylinders.
This one going. Had to redo your. I driving and turned the corner. Your battery fell out.
Oh yeah, we did that before. We had that problem.
Yeah, and this positive cable got over here, and fortunately you don't see that with the hood down. And when that happened, why it burned up a ground wire here, so I fixed that. Anyway.
So what was the original problem?
Original problem, this EGR valve was stuck. It's creating an internal vacuum leak. And so got that squared away, got the carburetors readjusted, got the points readjusted, the timing and reset, and the whole thing runs great.
And so we didn't want to put a new one of these on it?
No, it was all carboned up.
Okay.
Yeah. And the port that goes in down here that goes through is all carboned up. And this happens with age. It's just kind of par for the course.
Well, that sounds like it used to sound.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I've driven it a couple of times. Yeah.
Okay, so just picked the car up at the shop. We're going to see how it runs. I think you heard it was a vacuum regulator and some other small wiring issues, carburetor adjustment. It's weird that carburetors have been adjusted. Just stuff seems to just kind of slide out of the right position. So I love these cars. Probably one of the better cars ever made, I think. I mean, not better from a quality standpoint. They rust, they rattle, but design, engine, gears,